This area of our showroom is focused on our technology. As we move through the space, I will point out the broad offering of items on display. Starfish is our Wi-Fi smart product line, which is one of the most extensive in the industry. Starfish products include light bulbs, recessed lighting, string lights, tape lighting kits, security floodlight cameras, video doorbells, and indoor and outdoor cameras. Our smart products are compatible with Alexa, Google Home, Siri, and SmartThings. Visit satcostarfish.com to see new products being added all the time. SATCO's commercial LED lamp line offers innovation and convenience. Color and lumen selectable products, emergency lighting options, sign and adjustable PL replacement lamps are just a few of our recent introductions. Recess, retrofit, and remote driver downlights in multiple configurations are available with CCT and Lumen Select. These are just a few of the latest items on display. A new assortment of CCT selectable A-type, BR, and PAR lamps are great additions to the product offering, as well as our PIR motion sensing and battery backup lamps. Commercial HID replacements, all-glass, high-lumen filament style, and mogul-based lamp types have all been updated with new features such as field selectable and reduced sizes. Celebrating its 10th year, our Blink product received a complete redesign and upgrade. Built as the premium product in its class, Blink features die-cast housings, high-spec drivers, EM options, and a large variety of sizes and finishes. When it comes to track lighting, this 60-year-old product category has experienced an amazing resurgence due to the introduction of cost-effective, high-performance LED solutions in smaller sizes. SATCO NUVO offers a wide selection of designs, shapes, finishes, and beam angles, along with a complete track and accessory program. Many of our popular designs are available in kit form as well. From lighting a path to lighting a parking lot, our extensive product offering in flood and area lights incorporates field selectable features such as power and CCT selectable and bypassable integrated photocells. Beyond floodlights, the program includes motion sensing security fixtures, wall packs, and canopy fixtures, all with many built-in customizable features. For warehouse, workshop, parking garage applications, SATCO NUVO offers a deep program in all product types. Integrated and external occupancy sensors, bi-level dimming, programmable sensor, and emergency battery backup options are all available. Utility fixtures from disc type to cloud style in many sizes are available. CCT Select and occupancy sensing are available option in most product styles. We now move on to our outdoor section. Featured on display are our designs from our contemporary collections. Each design is guided by the requirements of clean lines, simplistic forms, and to provide a functional purpose. Many fixtures feature an integrated LED light source, while others maintain standard socketing for lamps. Please visit satco.com to see our entire outdoor portfolio. Presented here is a small sampling of our LED bath vanity collections. Besides outstanding designs, what these products share, along with all of our LED integrated decorative fixtures, is a common light source. SATCO has developed its own LED light engine, which meets stringent code requirements for efficiency, flicker, and dimming, and uses this light source in all our decorative LED products. Besides reliability, the benefit is color and performance consistency across all product designs. Across the ceiling, you will notice a variety of LED low-profile surface-mounted fixtures, LED slim pendants, ceramic pendants, and flush mounts, etc. Our final stop is at our mid-century retro wall sconces and pendants. Here's another example of timeless design done tastefully. As with any of our products, we are driven to provide the best in design, value, and quality. We thank you for taking this tour with us today, and we look forward in presenting more designs and technologies to you in the future.